Hey guys, so today I'm working on this 2004 Dodge Ram. I've got an issue with the passenger side low beam headlight not working. Um, I tested the uh, circuits to see if they were shorting or open, and they're not. On these particular Dodges, they have this, they call an integrated power module here. It sits right behind the battery on the driver's side. And they tend to go bad, and so what I did was on the underside here, can't really see it that well, this plug, see if I can get a good view of it here. This particular plug right here is the one that controls the or has the wires that control the headlights, and the low beam for the passenger side is a white wire with a tan stripe, and the driver's side is a white wire with a blue stripe. And if you can see my relay here, what I ended up doing, so I don't have to replace this integrated power module yet, is I took the driver's side lead and spliced into it. So this goes up to the plug on the underside of this module, and I just made it longer basically, and then this is the part of the wire that goes over to the actual passenger side. And then I just chopped the one that goes to the sorry, this one to the driver's side here. And I chopped the one that goes to the passenger side, hooked it up to this relay, and hooked up the ground and the control wire so it'll turn on the driver's side headlight. And then this is the power wire that goes to the battery, and then the lead to the passenger light. So basically what I'm doing is just chopping under the driver's side, and when power is applied to that, it'll kick the relay for the passenger side, so I don't put the load for both of the headlights on this one circuit. I don't want to overload it and blow out the other side any sooner than I have to. I'd like to just delete the control by the tip them all together, but for now this will work. And I may end up buying a new one of these eventually because they tend to cause other issues. I mean, the control module here. So yeah, now if I kick the headlights on, I'll hook up the battery here. Just tucking this wire in the battery for the moment, just to drive the headlight. Then if I go ahead and turn on the headlights, then what we get is headlight on the driver's side, headlight on the passenger side. So that's pretty much it on this one. Yeah, it could have been done better. I was gonna tear into this control module here and try to use a relay on the inside, like the fog light relay, because that's not actually being used. I have fog lights set up on a different relay. Those are aftermarket install, but this particular control box is a real pain to open up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have an issue with this, yeah, that's probably make sure that you double check the colored wires for whichever beam is bad. I can turn off the headlights here. And then, like on this one here, let's see if I can get this out. There we go. Watch me break another wire here. So this is the back of the headlight, and this one is the low beam, the one on the right. High beam is this one, and ground is in the middle. And on the other side, it's like that too. So what I did was I put my tester on this wire, I went up to the plug on the back of the power module and then just used a continuity tester to make sure that this wire was the actual one that I was thought I had on that plug. Once I had continuity on this one, I checked the other one. I checked the grounds, continuity between the ground plug here and the other side and ground. We had continuity there. There were no shorts. So at that point, you can pretty much determine that it is the power control module. So yeah, if you got any questions, leave a comment below, and hopefully this will help you out.